Hello friends, now we will assemble a game model in the form of a gamepad, called Gearball Challenge from ROKR. You are on the Incredible Gears channel. Enjoy watching. To start the game, place the ball on the first step. By pressing the left key, move the ball along the steps. On the fourth step, you need to press the key hard and fast so that the ball flies to the upper track. This may not work the first time, or the ball may even fall on the previous steps. After the ball has run along the upper track, it rests against a plastic labyrinth. Using the right disc, rotate the labyrinth to the right or left. There is a hole on the side of the labyrinth, and the ball must be driven there. The instructions for the set include an indicator of the correct path for the ball, but I recommend figuring it out yourself and going through the entire labyrinth yourself. It's more interesting. We guide the ball to the exit on the back of the labyrinth, and the ball runs to the second track under the crane and rests against a double drum with hooks. Using the left control disc, we move the ball to the next section of the track. After running along the track, the ball hits the bell, signaling the successful completion of the section of the path. We actively press the right button to activate the pushing mechanism and push the ball further along the track, since it is at an angle. Then we actively press the left button to again throw the ball to the next section of the track that leads us to the drum. In it, there is a hole for the ball to exit, but the hole is covered with a grid, and to move it, we rotate the right disc. There is one last little piece of the track that leads us to the finish line, and we can see the winning flag. After that, we can launch a new ball and record the time of the path, improving our time playing with friends. The balls after the game are stored in a drawer. Gearball Challenge is a very funny game from childhood. Besides, the model looks very nice in the interior. Friends, I definitely recommend the new product from ROKR for purchase. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.